And now, from the Southern Colorado campus of CSU Pueblo, this is the Today Online with news, events, videos, and photos.
My name is Tommy Farrell, and I'm the president of PRISM, which is CSU Pueblo's lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgendered, and allied student organization. And tonight we're having our first ever queer prom. And the purpose of the event is to give people who may not have had an opportunity in high school to go to their prom, or may have not been able to go with who they wanted to go to because they might have been gay or lesbian, an opportunity to come and have fun in a welcoming and safe environment. Looks like it's a pretty successful event. We've had a pretty good turnout. Our officers did a really good job of planning and getting the word out. So I'm really happy that we had this opportunity to bring a welcoming environment to the CSU Pueblo campus.